This is the back right door of a Kia Sportage, and the speaker's blown. Now, the quote from Kia was absolutely ridiculous. I don't remember the exact quote, but if I figure it out before I post this video, I'll put it up there. But it was a ridiculous quote. And I was like, why would that be so ridiculous? Well, once we take off the door panel, I will show you that what they decided to do was rivet it into the window regulator, and you have to replace the whole assembly. So we're going to try to save this guy some money, and I'll show you how to fix that. So just keep continuing to take off these covers. It's going to be 4 screws holding on this door panel, one behind there, and then all the way up here. These are just little plastic, just put in there and pop them off. Phillips head screws. 1, 2, 3, and last one right here. Now for this job, I know your instinct's going to tell you to roll down the window, but don't. Leave this window up, and I'll show you why here in a second. Okay, down there they give you a little spot so you can take a flathead and move the door panel. Just lift up. Now, coming down here, we got this for the door latch, which you just pull that in and just slide that out. And down here. And door panel's free, minus the... There we go. Okay, minus the part that's stuck. So essentially, they riveted it into the window regulator. Now they sell you a whole assembly. You gotta take this whole door apart and everything like that. So what we're gonna do is move the speaker, and we're gonna drill out the rivets, put a new one, and rivet it in. Now that's my theory. These 2 speakers, these are actually from Kia. This the Kia. That's your part number. I know it is different from this part number because these are the bass speakers, and these are the with the upgraded sound system speakers. They're the same size. They're just I don't know. They seem like the same. They're still paper woofers. There's nothing special about them. They're just upgraded. They don't sell these anymore. Don't quote me on that. It's just when I was looking on the dealer page, this part number was not available, but this one was. So let's get started. Do not ask me what size drill bit this is, because I don't know. Only thing I want to do is just break off those tops real quick like that. There's 2. Oh, here's one right here. There's your speaker. Now before we go any farther, I'm going to go ahead and test this speaker to make sure it works just fine. There we go. Keep doing every single one of them. Alright, so if I wasn't filming that, that'd have been a lot easier. The other side went perfectly. So that was ugly, but oh well, it's done. So here's the ones I'm using. They're 4.8 by 25 millimeter. These are your rivets. and essentially they go like on the speaker. You got these two pins. They'll make sure they go like that right there in the holes. Now as far as the rivets, the thicker end, we'll start with this one because it's probably gonna be the easiest to get to. I stand corrected. No, it is not. Okay, so we'll do this bottom one. Here's your rivet gun. They got different adapters up top here. So you're just gonna put it in there and just do that until it breaks off. So, there, just like that. Now pump. There's one. There you go, it's getting tighter and tighter. Okay, I'll try for that third one, but if not, two will be fine. Okay. There you have it, that's it. So that's it. That'll save you so that's it. That'll save you a couple $100 right there. It's in there, and all right, now you just gotta put your door back together. Hang it up top. This seems like a very difficult thing, but it's not. They made it really easy. You really can't mess this one up. Same way you took it off. Like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.